study.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly.
like, who is this lady?
Yes,
You look like somebody I've seen before. Where
Who
was it?
knows?
Was it the World's Fair in 1988?
I know you from somewhere.
Hello, boy. How are you? I am Bubby, and you are one very special, special first grandchild. Yes. Want to socialize?
Oh, yeah?
All right. We are having a good time. You got out and about, came out of the house. That's good. Very sociable. Right?
I guess so.
Yeah.
Let's see the other side.
She's a
I love
baker now.
the lining. It matches the shirt. Ah.
This is not a reversible
Right.
hat.
Ah, there's the tag. We
You
can
know
take the
who I
tag
am?
off. I have it.
I'm Daddy's mommy.
But it's really not.
That's right. And I remember when your daddy was a little tiny baby, too.
You can do that to your
Oh, we've been in stare mode for like a good minute.
Well, they do it with
How are
clothes.
you?
You know, the seams out now. It's,
What are you thinking
yeah.
about?
Yeah.
Hmm?
It's a video ring.
Hello?
Oh, look, he's still studying. He's
What
still
are
studying.
you
He's doing a
thinking
doctorate.
about? You got a PhD in Mindy.
PhD in
Hey.
Mindy.
What are you thinking?
You're like a little doctor of Mindyology.
What are you
He's not even
He's a
blinking.
genius. He's a genius.
Hello.
Well, that goes without saying.
Hello.
That goes without saying.
There you go. Good course to study.
Is that video or is that a picture?
Video.
Hello. Different position?
I remember turning him over like
All
that.
right.